I made $3,900 trading today, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it in this video. Before we get started, if you guys support me, like this video. As well with that, subscribe to my channel. I am making videos every day, and turn your post notifications on so you know when I do post. If you guys need a broker to trade US30 with, I did link one in the description. And if you guys want to learn my strategy that I use for US30, I did make a free training. There should be a link in the description as well. And if you guys want to get funded with up to $200,000, click the link in my description. And lastly, if you guys want to enroll in my one-on-one mentorship and personally learn from me, I'm opening up spots next Monday. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to show you guys the setup that I took on US30. This actually was the exact setup right here. I'm going to move this for a second. I did enter on this minute 15 candle right here. I saw that we already had bullish momentum occurring during the market open or before the market open. And especially looking at the overall trend, we are in an uptrend. So I entered off this minute 15 candle right here. And I did have my stops right below this candle's wick. And then for my TP, I targeted this previous high. Now I did target that previous high because that's where yesterday's resistance was during the New York session. And I thought to myself like, yo, if we are in a true uptrend and it's just going to keep breaking new higher highs, it's going to break the previous high. So that's where I had my take profit at, and it smashed right through it within the first 15 minutes. Guys, this candle, this 15-minute candle right here, shot up over 2,000 pips in 15 minutes, which is absolutely insane. And this is why I trade US30, because the volatility is so high. There's so many big moves like this happening all throughout the week. Yesterday was a little hard to see. The market was kind of on some BS, I'm not going to lie. But these are the days that I'm looking for when we just see a straight big push up. There's no hesitation like here. It kind of pushed up and then it went back down and then consolidated, then pushed up. These aren't the kind of markets that I want to trade. I want those clear markets where it's just super clean. One thing that I've been doing nowadays when I trade is when I enter my trade, I walk away. And usually what I will do too is have alerts set. So I'll put an alert, let's say right here. This video is sponsored by my program FX University. Go to the link in the description to sign up, or there should be a link on this page. Once you go to join now, you're going to go to get started, and once you do, we're going to give you a code for 15% off. Go right here where it says to add promo code, type in FX1 and click apply. And I'll go and I'll type in what my take profit is. So 32,372.7. And TradingView has these alerts where it can notify you on the app, show up, send an email, play a sound. So I have it play the sound on my computer. So when I hear that sound go off, if I'm home or I have the TradingView app on my phone, I know that, hey, my take profit or stop loss got hit. And then right here, I'll put US30 hit TP. Something like that, just so I understand when the notification goes off, okay, it hit my stop loss or my take profit. And that's how I do it. Now, the reason as to why I started doing that, because I used to stare at my charts. And I know a lot of you have this interpretation or this mentality that, oh, you guys, if you want to be a real trader, you got to have 100 different screens in front of your face. One of my homies that trades that I taught, he made $1.4 million trading in 1 week, and he uses his freaking phone to trade. So if you guys think, I got to have a monitor here, I have to have this, this, and this, you guys are overthinking it. You don't need all that BS. I'm going to tell you something. When I used to trade, I used to have 3 trading monitors in front of my face. And then I had my MacBook and then my actual trading computer. And it's just, there's too much going on. With trading, you want to simplify as much as possible. So now when I trade, I make it extremely easy on myself. I'm very impatient. And what would happen with my trading, excuse me guys, oh, my nose is itching. What would happen with my trading is I would always go into a trade, and let's say I was in this trade right here, I would see it in profit like $1,000. And I'd be like, oh my gosh, I'm up $1,000. Like, I don't want to risk losing this trade. Let me take the profits now. Versus today, I made basically $4,000 off this move right here. And if I were to have closed with $1,000 profit, I would have left $3,000 on the table. And then you have to understand that once I take a losing trade, on average, I'm losing like $2,000 to $2,500. So if I'm taking my winners, cutting my winners short, that means at the end of the month, I'm not going to be in too much profit, or I'm going to be breaking even each month. And that's what I was doing for the longest time. So now when I trade, I have my alert set for my take profit, these numbers, and then an alert set for my stop loss. I know that my strategy, one, is accurate, and I know, two, my strategy is going to produce results. And the wins for my take profit are always going to be much bigger than my stop loss. So therefore, I know that I just have to trust my analysis, walk away from the markets, and let it do its thing, because you sitting in front of your screen staring is not going to do anything for the markets. Like, do you think your eyes are really just staring at it are going to control the markets? And that's what a lot of traders are doing. We as traders just constantly, we're like, oh, I want to see the thrill, the excitement. And that's the beautiful thing about trading is you set your trade. Your analysis is a thing that takes the most time. With me, it takes like 5 minutes. I hopped on the markets at 6:27 in the morning. Within 3 minutes, I had my bias. I was like, boom, going long. This is why. Boom, take the trade, bought it. Stop loss, take profit. And I honestly went back to sleep. Then I woke up 30 minutes later. I had an alarm go off from TradingView, and it said TP hit. I was like, what? That quick? I was like, damn, okay, $3,900 was made like that? That is dope. So that's the beautiful thing about trading. You guys don't need to be rushing it, sitting in front of your computer. Just be chill. Let the markets do the thing. Go about your day. And you guys should create a routine. So if you're fully depending on trading as your only source of income, guys, you're gonna make yourself go stir crazy, because you're constantly hoping that trading is going to be the way to get rich. And if you don't produce results, and you're going to get discouraged, whatever it may be. So let the markets do their thing. But another reason why I knew this was going to be a good buy is because we can see on Monday right here, we formed this higher high. Then we kind of came down for the Asia and London session, formed a higher low. Then Tuesday, new higher high. Same thing, consolidation, new higher high on Wednesday. Consolidation, new higher high on Thursday. Consolidation, new higher high on Friday. And notice how Friday had the biggest move. We saw a massive move go up. So that's overall why I took this trade on US30. I was literally just going with the trend, and these are your ideal weeks that you need to be looking for when the market is just going in one solid trend, and you know, okay, it's probably going to drop and consolidate during the Asia and London session. Then New York, it's going to start pushing up again, and that's where you wait for your right entry signal. And usually the signal, if we see right here, 6:15 to 6:30, that candle. Minute 15 right here. 6:30, 6:15, 6:30 candle right here, spinning top, boom, pushed up. And right here, have our 6:15 to 6:30 pushed up, boom. Monday was a little confusing. We did have this candle that was bearish, but if you waited for this next candle, you could have bought at that 6:30 to 6:45 candle, right into that psychological level, 1,500 pip move right there. So show up every day, get the feedback that you need, take your trades, backtest the markets, study the psychology of trading. There's really not much you can do. And like, I want to tell people, oh, be patient, be patient. Honestly, like, patient is very underestimated. You guys should be putting as much time as you can, because you cannot trade every second of the day. But you can do self-development for psychology every second of the day. You can backtest every second of the day. You can read books on trading to learn the candlestick patterns. You can learn from courses, other mentors. You can watch YouTube videos. Trading is the experience that you get. So once you're not trading, take all this feedback that you're getting, and then once you trade, put it together. Compile all that feedback in your mind when you are trading. Okay? Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you on the next one. Guys, click the links in my bios. They will all help you out, whether it's free, not free. Let's get to it, guys. I'll see you later.